What if I told you the most watched video in YouTube history isn't from Mr. Beast? It's not a gaming channel, not even a music video. It's Baby Shark. That one kid's video has over 16 billion views, and the people behind it earn millions from simple, colorful animations. They are not alone. Channels like Cocomelon, Little Baby Bum, Lulu Kids all get millions of views. And you can do it too, even if you don't know how to animate. AI lets anyone make these videos, complete with stories and animations, right from a laptop or phone in minutes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Every great animation starts with a story. If you already have one, that's awesome. You can skip ahead. But if you are still brainstorming, don't worry. We are going to use ChatGPT to come up with 10 fresh kids' story ideas in seconds. Just open ChatGPT and enter a simple prompt asking for kids' story ideas that are fun, imaginative, and engaging. The AI will generate 10 creative, fun ideas for you to check out. Take a few moments to read through them. If none feel quite right, just hit the regenerate button and get 10 brand new ones instantly. I will copy this first idea as kids love this type of stories. You may also tweak or customize it if needed. Now that we have our story idea, when it comes to generating a fully animated video, there are a few key things you need to know. First off, you will need a script. Once you have that, your script will need characters, which means you will have to design exactly how they will look. Next, you will create prompts for each scene in your script to generate the visuals that bring your story to life. Then, for every image you generate, you will need image-to-video prompts to animate those scenes and add motion. Finally, you will need the dialogue or narration text, which you have to turn into audio using a text-to-speech tool. I could walk you through each of these steps one by one, but that would make this video longer than it needs to be. Instead, I will show you a powerful AI tool called Read Kids that can handle all of this for you in just a few clicks. The next step is to use Read Kids to turn our ChatGPT idea into a full video ready to share. Click the link in the description to head straight to the Read Kids website. Sign in with your Google account, and you will be ready to start creating in minutes. From the left panel, select Animated Video. This takes you to a simple, 5-step process to build your animation from scratch. First up is creating your story. You can type your own idea or paste the story you got from ChatGPT. This will be the foundation of your animated video. Now that you got your story idea down, let's make it even better. You can add a few personal touches to really make it yours. Pick the age group for your audience, so the AI can adjust the story to suit them. Then choose the story type, whether it's family, fairy tale, or adventure, followed by the story theme. Once you are done, hit generate and watch as the AI turns your idea into a fully customized story. You can still tweak anything you like, change a character's name, edit a few lines, or adjust the flow until it feels perfect. When you are happy with the story, click Extract Roles, and you will see different visual styles for your kids' animation. There's a wide range to choose from, whether it's sketch, cartoon, or something else. So you can make your video stand out and truly reflect your unique style. Now click the next button to move on to step 3, where you will start creating your characters. Right below the style you selected, the AI has already suggested characters based on your script. You can click the pencil icon to customize each one, adjust details like skin tone, hairstyle, facial features, accessories, and clothing. You can do this for every character or simply stick with the default options. And here's the best part. Each character comes with 4 unique visual versions, so you can pick the one that perfectly matches your story's vibe. If you are not happy with the results, tweak the character settings and generate again until you get the look you want. This ensures that the character looks great and stays consistent throughout the animation. Once you are happy with Emma's character, go ahead and create Leo's the same way. Then pick your favorite version from the 4 options. Then, do the same for Max's character and choose the best image for your scenes. And just like that, you will have all 3 characters ready to bring your kids' animation video to life. No drawing or Photoshop skills needed. Now that your characters are ready, it's time to shape your story. Click Next, and you will see all your scenes or pages neatly listed in order. You can easily review, edit, add new scenes, or delete the ones you don't need, customizing your story exactly the way you want it. Then click Next, and Read Kids will automatically create your full storyboard for you. You can browse through each film strip and generate the scenes one by one until your entire story is complete. If a scene doesn't turn out quite right, adjust the prompt from the right panel and generate it again. Now it's time to bring your story to life. Click on the Animation tab at the top, and this window will appear. You can browse through all the scenes, edit the official motion prompt, or add your own, and hit Generate Video. Once your scenes are ready, head to the Animation Preview tab to get a quick look at how everything's coming together. Then, click the audio icon, choose your scenes, pick a voice,
Hello.
select it, and hit Generate. If you want to add some vibe, click the music icon, choose your track, and your video's all set. Once you are ready, click Generate Video. Select the scenes you'd like to include, or simply click Select All, then hit Confirm. And here's the result.
Emma watched the raindrops race down the window. Her heart couldn't wait. The garden was calling. There were puddles to splash and secret trails to find. Then came Max, bouncing, barking, and turning every step into a muddy masterpiece. Sometimes, the best adventures begin with a puddle.
And that's it. Your animation video is ready. You can try it yourself. The link's in the description.